And this is what happens when you go in debt for $200,000. You spend your days screwing shit into the ground hoping that someone's going to hire you. Yeah, this is a monumentous occasion. We here at Nothing But Concrete, the foundation specialists in North America, are enjoying a Crinner ground screw experiment on our new Yanmar Viao 80 with the Crinner KRB 60 head attachment. We are doing a test screw into the ground in Delta, British Columbia, a Pacific tractor. My esteemed colleague John Reynolds here is beaming with excitement. And Stan, who sold me the machine with absolutely no remorse. My colleague Roland, our sales rep with Griff.
There you go.
And we got Jake in the seat. And there's your foundation. I think I just worked myself out of a carpenter job. Welcome to Nothing But Concrete, foundation specialists of North America.